Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to use voice chat in Roblox on PS5. To use voice chat in Roblox on PS5, you have to follow the simple steps. First thing first, what you want to do is go ahead and log into your account, and when you're logged in you want to go ahead and open up your Roblox. When you open up your Roblox on PS5, click the three dot icon from the top right hand side corner. Then you want to go ahead and click on the settings option. When you click on settings, it's going to show you this page where you want to click on cross platform play. Press on that. As soon as you click on it, you will be taken to this sort of field. Here you want to go ahead and select the PS5 feature T. Now press the PS5 button from your home controller and press the home button. Next thing, you want to go ahead and close the game. After you've actually done it, so now go ahead and open up your settings one more time, and you want to go to others. When you go to others, you'll be able to find this sort of page where you could see restore license. Click on that. Now click on the restore button. You could see if you become unable to use content you download from Play Store, there might be problem with the license for the content. So then click on the restore button. After you've actually done it, so go back to your home page. Now open up the game and this should be able to fix it. Now in my case, as you can see that my mic is mute, so if you have this option, press the key from the controller and go to the home page and then go ahead and unmute the mic. This way you should be able to use voice chat in Roblox on PS5. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.